Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to teach you greetings in Hausa and greetings in English, and we translate it for you people in Hausa. As you can see here is good morning. If you want to say good morning in Hausa, you say ina kwana. Good morning ina kwana. Good afternoon. Good afternoon ina wuni. Good afternoon ina wuni. Good evening, barka da yini. Good morning, ina kwana. Good afternoon, ina wuni. Good evening, barka da yini. And when you are going to greet somebody, as in somebody is working and you want to greet him, you can say barka da aiki. Barka da aiki. When somebody is working and you wanted to greet him, so you say barka da aiki. Or you say barka da aiki or sannu da aiki. Call. Zo. Go. Tafi. And when you want to call a girl in Hausa, you say ke. Zo. Or when you want to tell her to go and you say ke. Tafi. While a boy, you say kai. Zo. Kai. Tafi. K is for girl. We said K for girl. While Kai is for boy. You say Kai zo. Then you are referring to a boy. When you say K, as in you see a boy and you tell him K zo, he will not be expecting that it's him that you are talking to, because K is referring to as girl, while K is for boy. Take note. When you want to seek for permission, when you want to enter into somebody's house in Hausa, peace. In Hausa is salamu alaikum. Peace be open to you. Salamu alaikum. Goodbye. Say anjima. Good night. Say da safe. That's the end of the work for today. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any question, you question it on the comment section.